How to allow the messenger to access the microphone and camera on the phone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to allow the messenger to access the microphone and camera on the phone. First of all, you need to open your messenger application. After that, select the chat. Then, to allow the messenger to access the microphone, tap on the microphone icon from the bottom of your screen. Now, as you guys can see, Messenger uses your device's microphone. So, you can do things such as to record voice. For this, you need to tap on Allow. Once you are done with this, then tap on the camera icon at the bottom to access the camera. Now tap on Open Settings. Next, find the Messenger application in your settings and open it. Now, here you can control what Messenger can use on your iPhone. Currently, it doesn't have access to the camera. To change this, just turn on the toggle switch. Next, open your Messenger application again and then tap on the camera icon to check this. Now, as you can see, that Messenger has allowed you to access your camera. If you want to share a video with your friend, you can tap and hold on this icon to record a video. So this is how you can allow the Messenger to access the microphone and camera on the phone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.